Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everybody. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum salam. It is just yeah, alaikum salam. It is just 3:30 at my computer. You all please check your device, the timing. So from next class onward, be in time like this, and we'll start the class in time as well. Okay. I hope that everybody. Hope everybody is fine, and all of you, I think your microphone is muted. That's the best way. And when talk, then unmute and then talk. Okay, good. We can go ahead for our class today. I think all of you can see the screen where I have written the welcome to 2305. And in this first introductory class, as you know, according to the culture of our university, that we used to have the introduction in the first class, and from next class onward, we start in full fledged. So this introductory class, actually, we will introduce to each other. That's the first thing. And after that introduction session, then I will explain actually how the whole semester I'll conduct the course. And after that, maybe I'll give you some introduction about control system. And from at the end, if it is possible, then maybe I can take a very short class performance test, and that will give me some impression about your performance in the class. And it is a fun. It is a fun means you don't have to, there is no marks for it, just to see how you do. That is nothing than that. And this will give us the flavor how we supposed to conduct the uh, class test, midterm exam, final exam, all will be proctor exam. and that rehearsal you can get over here after the class today at the end. How you have to answer and how you have to send it back to me, all this information, all these things you are coming to know from this test. Okay, that's the fun, just for giving, be acquainted with the system, just to become familiar with the class test, midterm exam, final exam. That flavor you will get from this rehearsal test. So don't take it seriously at all. Okay, that's all about for today's class. So what I'm telling at the beginning, that you all should keep a white paper and you write your name on the top of the white paper, your name, and at the other side your ID number. These two things must be there. And you can write the EEE305 section 2, section 1. That should be fine, no problem. That way you have to keep ready with one page, because at the end when I will ask you to go for this fun test, and then after doing that answer, the only one page, it is the first page, only one page you have to answer. Then you take the snapshot and send it to me. After that you have to convert into PDF, and then you send it to me by email. And then I'll show you once I get the email on the screen. So once you get the, once you see your email I received, then you leave the room. This is the way actually we are going to do the practice today at the end. Okay, that's all about these things, and there's no serious class today. Serious class will be starting from next class onward. Okay, fine, that's great. And first thing we are going to do today is introducing each other. And you are senior level student, third level student. You already, some of you already have done the EEE 201 with me. So you already, we have already introduced over there. And some of you are new here, maybe you don't know me. Those are the guys maybe we can introduce first time. So what in the introduction, you have to tell me. I'll tell first about myself, and then you have to tell yourself. That's the way we are going to introduce each other. So for me, actually, you know that I have joined this university in 2007 onward. At the time, Professor Jamil Raja Chaudhary was the vice chancellor, and he invited me. At that time, there were not so many people are interested to come to Bangladesh, and he invited me, and he is our very respected professor at BUET. When I was teaching, I was a student of BUET. He was famous teacher, and later on, he actually founded this university. And on his request, on his invitation, I joined here 2007 onward, and still here. And after that, I worked with Professor Ainul Nishat. He was the second vice chancellor. After that, Professor Saad Ali was the third vice chancellor from US Penn State, and I worked with him. After that, the Professor Chang is the current vice chancellor, and we are working with him. Things are very much improving, but from my interpretation, from my observation, I can say Brack University is going definitely very right track, and going to be a world-class university. That's what our expectation. And Chang can take it very seriously, and he's taking actually. So if we go to our new campus after the corona pandemic, if everything is fine, I think that will be a model university in the whole Asia. What I understand, but all depends how is the situation in the future. Now, I'm telling that things are on track. Okay, so I started control system course from the beginning because this is my field of specialization, and I have done my master's and PhD from control system. Okay, some of you cannot hear me. I don't know. Hello, can I ask you, can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, I don't
sir.
know. Maybe if somebody cannot hear me, in the chat box, I see one or two guys have written. You please check your sound system. Maybe you might have some restart or whatever. Today's class is for that also. That need to check all of your sound system, IT systems are all working fine. Okay. So after doing PhD from University of New South Wales in Sydney, Australia, after that I was working in different universities there, UWS, University of Western Sydney, University of New South Wales there as a part-time faculty. And then I worked in the, before coming here, I was working as part-time in Macquarie University in North Sydney. So this was the thing, and from then onward, I'm working here, but all the time. And before, after graduation from Buet, actually, I jumped to Malaysia as a lecturer there. I was teaching in the external campus of Nottingham Trent University and Liverpool John Moore University, their external campus in Malaysia, Port Klang. So I was teaching there. I started control system teaching since then, actually. And then I did masters in control and PhD also. Then back here, and this semester I'm taking this 305, and last semester and last long times actually I was teaching 305 control system and electric circuit. And this semester I dropped the circuit, and I'm teaching the master's modern control theory course this semester, and I'll back to circuit again next semester, see what happened. This is the way we are moving. I'm moving actually. So, and you know that we have the IEEE student branch at Brack University. I'm the founder and counselor of IEEE student branch. And then modern control theory and the control CRC, Control and Application Research Center. I have founded in 2011 there, and it's still going on. But Corona pandemic actually slowed down our activities. We have a couple of innovative things from this research center and EEE department. I think IEEE USA actually directly involved with us, and we got a couple of research fund from Bangladesh government, it called from IEEE USA, and Brack Center. We have a couple of, and Brack University itself. So we were working very nice, but all we need to work together to make it much, much better. And that's under the leadership of Professor Chang. That's what we are expecting, and see how it goes. That's all about from my side. And this semester, I'm going to teach this section 1 and section 2. And I'll let you know all these things, actually, how the course will be conducted throughout the semester. That's all about from my side. Now, from your side, you have to tell me your part, actually, that is, you are going to introduce yourself to us, all of us. Who are you? How to ting tang, and what is your name? What is your girlfriend's name? Boyfriend's name? And when you make the first dating, give us the love story. All this garbage, we are not interested at all. What we want to know from all of you, just one by one, you tell me which college you are from, and what is your current CGPA, and how many credits you completed. These three items should be enough for me. So all of you can start introduction. Just before that, you hold on, because somebody playing the game, going out, coming in, going out, coming in. All of you just be silent. Don't move, because I'm getting the attendance. Your presence I'm going to take, and after that you can go ahead, whatever you like to do. Just a minute, please. Okay, all right. Okay, this is done. Okay, I have taken the attendance of everybody. Now you can go and introduce yourself. I'm telling the name, and according to that you just carry on. Muhammad Naib Raihan. Muhammad Naib Raihan, can you unmute your microphone and tell me what is your name, which college you are from, and what is your current CGPA, and how many credits you completed? Naib Raihan, please. Naib, can you unmute? Naib, Muhammad Naib Raihan, are you here? Okay, I think something may be wrong with his microphone. Okay, Abias Tasnim, Abias Tanjim. Yes, sir. Oh, Ryan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead. Go
My
ahead.
name is Mohammad Naib Raihan.
Mhm.
I gave my A levels from Maple International School. My
Good.
CGPA is 3.89.
Mhm.
29. I have completed 85 credits in
Excellent.
total.
Excellent. Beautiful. Thank you very much for your interaction. Okay, now Abbas Tanjim. Tanjim, can you unmute now and start?
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Sir, I did my O levels and A levels from Bangladesh International School, Dammam,
Mhm.
and I'm currently at my final year, and my CGPA is 3.7.
Excellent. Good. Okay, next, Badhan. Can you introduce yourself, Badhan?
Thank you, sir. My name is Minhajur Rahman Badon. My school and college was Rajaguttura Model College.
Mm-hmm.
My total credit completed is 112, and
Mm-hmm.
my current CGPA is 3.56.
Beautiful. Good. Okay. Next, Biplop Sarkar. Can you unmute and introduce yourself, Biplop?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go
I
ahead.
am Biplop Sugar. I have passed from BAF Shine College.
Mhm.
I have completed 92.5 credit and my CGPA is 2.76. Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Good. Thank you very much. Now, next, Imad Ahmed. Can you introduce yourself, Imad?
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I am Imaduddin Ahmed.
Mhm.
I completed my HSC from Dhaka Residential Model College.
Mhm.
I have completed 85 credits,
Okay.
and my current CGPA is 3.27.
8.2. Great. Okay. Thank you very much. Now, next, Hasnain Ahmed. Hasnain, can you introduce yourself?
Hello, sir. My
Hello.
name is Hosnain Ahmed,
Mhm.
and I completed my HSC from St. Joseph Higher Secondary School.
Mhm.
Currently, my CGPA is 2.73, and my total completed credit is 87.
Excellent. Good. Thank you very much. Okay. Next, Hatif Asrar. Hatif, can you introduce yourself, Asrar?
Assalamu sir.
Alaikum salam. Go ahead.
My name is Hatif Asrar Ahmed. I completed my HSC from Chittagong Cantonment School and College.
Mhm.
I completed 91 credits and my CGPA is 2.67.
Great. Okay. Next, Indrani Bishwas. Indrani, can you introduce yourself?
So it's Indranil Biswas.
I'm sorry, Indranil. Okay, Indranil, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Sir, I did my college from Hajiwan Mohsin College, Chittagong. I have completed 85.5 credits, and right now my CGPA is 2.84.
Whatever. Good. Thank you very much. And next, Johar Kausar Arnab. Arnab, can you introduce yourself?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum assalam.
Sir, I'm Johar Kausar Arnab. I have completed my HSC from BAF Shahin College. I've completed 108 credits, sir, and my CGPA is 3.01.
Great. Thank you very much. Next, Arafatullah. Can you introduce yourself, Arafat? Arafatullah?
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
My name is Muhammad Arafatullah, and I have completed my HSC from South Asian College, Chittagong, and I have completed 101.5 credit, and my current CGPA is 3.16.
Good. Thank you very much, Arafat. Okay. Next, Muhammad Kamrul Islam. Kamrul Islam, can you introduce yourself?
Sir, I'm Mohammad Kamrul Islam. I have completed my HSC from Bangladesh Navy College, Dhaka. I have completed 151 credits, and my current CGPA is 3.48.
Okay.
And it's my last semester.
Good. Thank you very much, Arafat. Okay. Next, I'd like to request Naimul Hassan, Muhammad Naimul Hassan, to introduce yourself, please. Naimul Hassan?
Sir, assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
I am Naimul Hassan. I completed my HSC from Milestone College, and I had completed 77.5 credits, and my current CGPA is 2.76.
All right, good. Thank you very much for your introduction. Now, next, I would like to request Samit bin Hassan. Samit bin Hassan, can you introduce yourself, please?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum assalam. Go ahead.
Sir, I completed my SSC from Gaibandha Government College. I have completed already 112 credit, and my current CGPA is 2.94.
Good. Thank you very much. Next, Maqbul Hussain. Maqbul, can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum assalam. Go ahead.
So I'm Maqbul Hussain, and I have done my HSC in BF Shine College. I have completed 106 credits, and my current CGPA is 2.71.
Okay, good. Thank you very much for your introduction. Next, Mustafizur Rahman. May I request Mustafizur Rahman to give you introduction?
Sir, my name is also. Okay, sorry.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
My name is Mustafizur.
Okay. Two Mustafa. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm
Yes,
talking,
sir.
there is one is Mustafizur Rahman. Another was a Rahatil bin Mustafa.
Yes, sir. Yes, that's me.
Okay.
Yes.
Let Mustafizur Rahman talk first.
Yes,
and
sir. Yes,
you
sir.
will talk
Sure.
later. Okay, no problem. Carry on, please. I'm sorry. Yeah, Mustafizur
Okay,
Rahman, go
I've
ahead.
done my college from Shadal Jamia Islamic School and College, and completed 94 credit, and current CGPA is 2.76.
2.7?
6.
Good. Thank you very much, Mustafiz. Next, I want to ask Rashid to introduce yourself. Rashid, can you please? I'm talking sequentially actually in the list. Yeah, Rashid, next.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
My name is Muhammad Rashidur Rahman. My college was Stanford College, Dhanmondi. I've completed 97 credits and my CGPA is 3.45.
Okay, great. Now, Rahatil bin Mustafiz, can you please? Yeah.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum salam. Go
Sir,
ahead.
my name is Rahatil bin Mustafiz. I have completed my HSC from Dhaka Residential Model College. I have completed a total of 78 credits, and my current CGPA is 3.74.
Good, excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Now, Rahat Tazwar. Rahat Tazwar, can you please introduce yourself? Rahat.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Yeah, alaikum salam. Go ahead.
I'm Rahat Tazwar, sir. I have given my HSC from Adamji Cantonment College. I have completed 97 credits and my current CGPA is 3.81.
Great. Good. Thank you very much. Now, next, hey, I don't know, everybody should write your name instead of writing your girlfriend's name, boyfriend's name, or any other dark things. Like one of you have written Realme X2 Pro. What is your name, real name? Actually, Realme X2 Pro. What is your real name, please?
Sorry, sir. Actually,
okay, next time you please change the
I'm
name.
out of
Okay,
my
no
home.
problem. No problem. You just change the name and write your name.
That's
There. What is your
yes,
name
sir.
actually?
That's why I'm connected with phone.
What is your name?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm Jarin Tasnin Mo. I have completed my HSC from Sirajganj Govt College. I have completed 82 credits and my CGPA, current CGPA is 3.33.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, next.
I'm sorry again.
You're
Sorry, sir.
all right. Everything is fine. That's what you do is you can change the name next time. Should be fine.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I can recognize you. Otherwise, I can't record. If you get the marks, I cannot give you the bonus marks. So careful about it.
Yes, sir. I'm just out of my home. And that's
No
why,
problem.
sir.
No problem.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Next, Rifatul Islam. Can you introduce yourself, Rifat?
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Myself, Rifatul Islam. I have completed my SSC and HSC both from BAF Shine College, Dhaka. And my current CGPA is 2.89 and I have completed 110.5 credits.
Great.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Okay, welcome. Now, Safat Nawaz Sadmani.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum salam. Go ahead.
My college was Jalalabad Cantonment Public School and College, Sirat. I've completed 103 credits and my CGPA is 3.14.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. Now, are there anyone left that I did not call your name? Ask Tasbiya Binte Hussain. Tasbiya, did you introduce yourself? No. Okay. Tasbiya is still connecting. I see some Tahmid Ahmed. Tahmid, did you introduce yourself? No.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, please go ahead.
Sir, I'm Tahmid Ahmed. I'm from Chittagong. I gave my HSC from Ispani Public School and College, Chittagong. My current CGPA is 3.01.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, Tahmid. Now, Tanvir Tomal. Tanvir Tomal, can I ask you to introduce yourself? Tanvir? Okay, I think Tanvir Tomal. Yeah, you can carry on, Tanvir. Okay, this is the checking of IT device actually. If any of you see that you cannot communicate, maybe it's something wrong. So you have to fix it and then carry on. Okay, now Tanvir, once you fix it, you can come back. And Siam Ahmed, did you introduce yourself, Siam?
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum, sir. I'm Siam Ahmed.
Go.
I have completed my HSC from Adarshi School in Narayanganj, and I have completed 95.5 credit, and my current CGPA is 2.75.
Good. Thank you very much. I think most Prabha, did you introduce yourself? No. Prabha, can you introduce yourself?
Sir.
Okay, Sam, go ahead.
Sir, I am Naila Durus Shobha. I have completed my HSC from Visweshwar Muhammad Public College. My current CGPA is 2.95 and I have completed 78 credits.
Great, beautiful. Thank you very much. Okay, are there anyone did not introduce yourself? Because it is recording and I have already copied the attendance. So nobody should be should be left. Everybody should introduce yourself. Otherwise, I can find who did not. I request everybody should check your microphone, speaker, everything is working properly. That's the reason why this introduction as well. So are there anyone who did not introduce yourself? Then tell me, please.
Hello, sir. I didn't introduce myself.
Oh, Faiza Jareen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead, Faiza, please.
Assalamu alaikum,
Alaikum
sir.
salam. Go ahead.
I completed my HSC from Dhaka City College. I have completed 109 credits, and my current CGPA is 3.28.
Excellent, beautiful. Okay, thank you very much, Faiza, for coming up from yourself. I think everybody already done. And anybody left before we jump to the class? Anybody
Sir,
left?
I haven't introduced myself.
Yeah, what's your name? Sorry.
Sir, Tasbih Bint Hussain.
Yeah, Tasbih Hussain. Yeah, go ahead, please.
Sir, I have completed 81 credit and my CGPA is 3.15.
Okay, you are from which college or?
I'm from
Vikarunandan College. Okay, good. Thank you, Tasbih. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody, for your introduction. It's a great introduction. And I already recorded everything, should be fine. And now, as I said today, we are going to do first. Sorry.
Sir, I didn't introduce you.
What's your name? Oh,
Abhijit Pal, PL.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
PL. Go ahead, please.
Sir, I am from Visweshwar Muhammad Public College. Currently, my CGPA is 2.72 and I have completed 91 credits.
91 credit. Good. Okay, thank you very much, PL, for come up with from yourself. I think everybody introduced already. If anyone left, you please let me know and can go ahead. No means we are jumping to the next session. There is introduction section. Introduction session is over. Now we are going to the next step. All of you can see the next slide. What I have written there that we are going to talk about the topic introduction to control systems. Before starting the introduction of control system course, I'd like to ask you to get the snapshot of this slide, all of you, where you can see the contact number. I have my cell number here. That's for students' cell number. So you should keep this thing recorded with you, and the email address next to it is the email address that you have to communicate with me throughout the semester, akmam.azad@gmail.com, and then the contact number is there. So let's say you are having exam. On the exam, you are dropping from the network, you're out from the classroom, emergency, you have to inform me. Then this emergency number, you call me and tell me, sir, I have this problem. Like that, the reason. I'm just telling you an example. The emergency contact number is very important. So everybody should keep in your hand. Simply, you cannot say, sir, I had that problem, I had this problem, I could not inform you. No, the emergency number is there. You have a power failure, network failure, whatever. Your mobile is okay. You can call me and you can tell me what is your problem. So everybody must note down the emergency contact number. And you can see my timetable for this semester. And this is the consultation time. So what I have, but I have to make appointment and then come to the consultation time. Otherwise, what I do today, some of you came 15 minutes earlier and 3:15. Normally the class will start at 3:15 minutes earlier at 3:15, and final class starts at 3:30. This first 15 minutes, actually today's was redundant because nothing to do, but next class onward, this 15 minute I will utilize any problem if you have, we can discuss it in this advanced 15 minutes. Within this 15 minutes, I'll start from 3:15 the class, and we are going to discuss, that is a consultation time also, you can think. So we can discuss about whatever the problems you had from the previous lecture or any other lectures or something. We cannot finish the discussion. Maybe after the class we can discuss, or we can make another appointment to go for a consultation time for the discussion. That's the way we are going to do. And also for there will be no student tutor most probably this semester. If no, then I will provide one student tutor from my senior students, those who are working with me in the CRC Control System Research Center as the volunteer research assistant. Maybe I'll ask one or two guys who can voluntarily give you the student tutorship consultation thing, like as a student tutor. So definitely you will get one student tutor, official or unofficial, doesn't matter. So you can discuss the guy. I'll give you the details, everything, and he can help you or communicate you, for you can communicate him for any problems you face. So that's the thing. And in the BUX system, I have already given the enrollment. I hope that most of you already enrolled there, and you will see the uploaded video lectures time to time, and then you download it.
Sir, I still did not get the enrollment.
But the enrollment is now on.
Yes, sir.
What?
Me also.
No, you have to go to the BUX course, and you see there EEE305, and then enroll now. You click button, and then you know how to do, right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
You'd have to do it by yourself, because the enrollment date and deadline is changed. Now you can easily enroll for fall. If you have any problem, let me know. Okay, I think you can get the video lecture from there. Don't think that every time I'll send you by email and you go there and you're sitting down at home and doing nothing, getting everything. You should be familiar with that thing, and you should go there and get it. A lot of informations I'll upload in the BUX also. So already over there, you can go in, already the previous semester's informations are there. For example, I can tell you the assignment. That assignment informations all are there. I'll show you today in the lecture. You can see those things, I think. Okay, that's all about the information you need to keep in your head. And I hope that you have collected the slide. Now let's go to the introduction to the video lecture clip. That what I have done in the last section 2 students as well. We'll see that, and then I'm telling you again that some of the information throughout there is no attendance, you know that, but in the course you have to come every class. That is what my requirement. There is no attendance marks, this is true, but if you do not come to the class, then you will lose the bonus marks, because throughout the semester in the class, for class performance purpose, I used to ask question from the online class, so on the topic. So those who can answer to the topic, I'll tell beforehand that if there is anybody can answer this question, there's a bonus marks for that. So if you can answer, you get a bonus marks, and that bonus marks will be counted and will be accumulated, and at the end of the semester, this bonus marks will be added to your quiz marks. So quiz will be 25%. So out of 25, if you get, let's say you get 15 out of 25, and throughout the semester bonus marks you get 10, then that 15 plus 10 is 25. So you're getting full marks in quiz, even though you got 15 out of 25, but another 10 marks coming from the bonus. So this is the way bonus marks will be added. But in the bonus marks, if you get maybe you got 7, you got 12, but 15 plus 12 is 27, then 2 marks will be gone into vain, but you get full 25 out of 25. This is the way actually it should be counted. So everybody should be careful about it. You have to come to the class every day in order to get the bonus marks and accumulate the bonus marks every classes, and then at the end you can see you will get full marks in quiz. There is a chance. So don't miss this opportunity. It's up to you now in your hand whether you should come to the class or not. But I found last semester from the experience last semester online class, if students come to the class every day, they will be benefited, because at home they can't see the lecture. There's no, they cannot do it alone. At the end of the day, before the midterm exam or before the final exam, they all rush with all the lectures together, and they vomit, cannot answer properly, cannot do the good results, or copy from each other. And there is opportunity for you, those who are immoral people, then to become there is no ethics, for lost the ethics, lost the morality, copy from each other. That sort of thing will happen. So instead, ultimately, you are not learning anything. Instead to learn the thing, you should come to the class, you should understand it, spend that time in the class will be enough for you. You don't need to spend again. And if you don't understand that thing, you can see in the video which part. It is easier because the same lecture will be shown, so you know actually where is the thing I talked in the class that you could not understand. At that part, you can directly go there in the video and can see. You can easily understand the whole thing. So please, all of you, try to come every class. That is at the end I want to say. Okay. Now,
sir,
yeah, go
sir,
ahead.
I would like to interrupt, sir.
Sure.
I have some questions. I, sir, did my signals, that is at EEE3 243 in the spring semesters, and as you know that it was a disaster, and the prerequisite for this course was signals. So my knowledge about that course is very little. So I was like afraid to take this course this semester. So is it really related, or will I have difficulties for this course?
Because no, you did the signal systems before.
Yeah, yes, sir.
And this is again you are telling in parallel to control system, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
yeah,
sir. Because my knowledge about signals is very low.
No, it's all right. Fine. Listen to me. What is the grade you got?
Sir, A, B.
A. How you
yes,
got
sir.
A?
So that semester was a disaster.
Other, right?
No, sir. I did my signals in spring 2020,
okay.
sir.
Okay. I'm
the
sorry.
semester.
Yes, okay.
Yeah,
I got it. Then it's okay. Now, yeah, it is better rather. But I don't understand how you took the course again, because you got A means you cannot repeat the course, right?
Yes, sir. So you know that semester was a disaster. Like it ended. It ended in mid.
But if your advisor allowed you to take the course,
yes,
and
sir,
you enrolled, I don't know if it is something like that can be happen. It is okay, no problem at all. This is something like you are now using as a co-requisite, not prerequisite.
Yes.
So
yes,
I think it is, and you already done it. So I think
yes,
it
sir.
should be fine, no problem. You can carry on.
Yes,
because control system is very much mathematics.
Yes, sir.
Mathematically, you should be. If you are good in mathematics, control system is good for you. You are going to be a real engineer. Full stop.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think it should be fine. Let's see how you go. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
let's
sir.
come. Okay, thank you very much. Now let's go back to the point. I'm going to now. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so just check first. I'm going to run the video, and you have to check first whether you can listen it or not. That listening thing is important. Okay, okay. Just a minute. Okay. All right. You just check that you can hear the sound properly or not, and then we are going to start after that those things. And you can just say you go through this lecture, and I'm going to tell you whatever the thing discussed here. If anybody cannot understand anything, then please you raise your hand, and you if you raise your hand, I can understand that someone have any question, and then I'll off the video and go back to you, and we'll discuss the answer. This is the way actually we are going to go. So everybody should be listening the video very carefully. And as I told you, at the end of the class today, you will be given a performance test, class performance test, and that test actually fun test. There will be no marks for that, but I just want to see how you do, and you will be familiar with the class test, midterm test, and final exam test. This is a rehearsal, like sort of thing. So I think you all can start. Now, can you, I'm sorry, I'm just need to go for some sort of, okay, now it's okay. Can you see the screen? Hey.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now you can just look at the screen. Okay, I'm going to, and now look at it, sound is there or not?
Your microphone. I assume everybody already introduced yourself. Shut down your microphone and just have a look of the screen.
Okay. Could you hear the sound?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Carry on. If you have any question, you raise your hand. Everybody should know how to raise your hand. If you raise your hand, I can see. Cannot raise your hand, then you can straight away talk, no problem. Yes, I'm giving your class as a live class, and this is the dummy class, so you can understand the difference. Yeah, Tawhidul Alam, you raise your hand. What happened, Tawhidul? Tawhidul Alam, you have question?
No, sir. I was just checking the.
Oh, checking. Okay, okay. You can lower your hand. Should be fine. No problem. Thank you very much. Okay, carry on. Let's go.
You can't see this.
Okay, can you hear me? Hear the sound of the video?
This one actually.
Yes,
okay, this one actually the credit, 1 credit, but in fact this semester it will be 1.5 credit, as you understand. This is going to be happening from next semester onward. So for this semester it is not 1 credit, it is a 1.5 credit for the lab. But theory is 3 credit as it is. This is going to be for the next semester. Other than that, most of the things are as it is. So if you go with the prerequisite, the prerequisite is same, 243 signal systems, that what you have done, and based on that actually it is shown here, the prerequisite thing. So if you go with this thing, the next phase, if you, oh, sorry. Oh, one more thing I need to tell you, all of you please remember one thing, this Zoom is for 40 minute session. After 40 minutes, we are going to training, and after 10 minutes it will be automatically
the video, clear sound.
The learning outcome. At the end of the course, what you are going to learn, this is shown here as a C1, 2, 3, like that. That is, you can identify the system, model physical system, is a linearized model of physical system. That's what we are going to learn here, the servo system. And then you are going to analyze the LTI in both time domain and frequency domain. All these things will be coming at the end of the semester. You are going to learn all these things in this course. Actually, that's what explained in C1 to C6. And that is for, again, for the abstract equation purpose. And it is the CO-PO mapping, CO for course outcome and PO for program outcome. So program outcome is showing here ABCD. This is not for you, actually. Again, I'm telling you that this is for the abstract equation. So you can see the thing that this of each of the course outcome actually assessed the way is mentioned here through the quiz and exam. That is, in the exam, all these things will be included. And the last two is especially the CO5 and CO6 are related to the laboratory. So it's a lab outcome you are going to learn from here. Now, next we can see the next slide where it is also the laboratory lesson plan. And what will be covered is also shown. But before the theory thing is not shown here. But okay, so from this actually you can see the assessment tools for the theories are written here as the this is the most important thing. Class performance and attendance for 5%, and your assessment project 5%, and quizzes 20, and midterm exam 20, and final exam 20. So this is what actually I need to discuss, and other than that, all other things you can read by yourself and understand it very clearly. And this thing is here the class performance and attendance.
Excuse me, this assessment tool, actually, the way it is given, it is not for online semester. For online semester, it is uploaded in the BUX, and I'm going to show you the BUX. You can go through that BUX also, and you can easily understand from there that this semester how we are going to see. Can you see the screen? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. This
Yes,
is from
sir.
the BUX is already uploaded. You can see if you can access the BUX. Then over there, this semester, what the way I'm going to conduct the what will be the marks distribution is the same as what I did in the last semester as well. So assignment, I'm going to go for 20%, quiz 25%, midterm 25%, and the final exam 30%. That's what according to last semester. Now, unless any changes come from the central body of the university, the Central Assessment Committee may change this semester again, because if the semester, half of the semester online and half of the semester on campus, then the distribution might be changed. But if it is online the whole semester, then it will be exactly the same what I have. So we don't know, it's very much uncertain what will be the semester, with a full online or not. If it's a full online semester, then distribution will be same like what I am showing you here. Now, assignment 20% marks, I'll give you altogether 3 assignments. Altogether, I'll be giving you 3 assignments, and if you can see the 3 assignments, then you look at the assignment thing over here. Okay, if you see the assignment, then there are assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3. The 3 assignments, well, the first assignment, if you go, you have to go with this assignment before the midterm. That means you will be given, I think already uploaded. This is, hey, can you see the screen? The paper?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is actually paper on the control system project. It gives you the clear idea about what is control system from this project. So this paper, all of you have to go through. And this paper you need to understand very well. And at the end of the semester, I mean, at the end of the, before the midterm or immediately after the midterm, whatever I'll decide, that way you have to go for a presentation on this paper because normally you used to implement it in the lab, the project student used to do on campus. But since on campus you can't, so what you have to do is you have to read this paper very carefully before the midterm exam or during the midterm exam or immediately after the midterm, whatever, you have to give a presentation on this paper. So all what you have to do, you have to go through well, and then you have to prepare a slide based on this paper. And then one by one, each of you will give presentation. And from that presentation, asking question and answer session like that way, I have to give you assessment, and that assessment marks will be, that's the way this assignment 1 will be assessed. So you can start reading the paper, understanding the paper, because it's already uploaded in the BUX. Okay, that's all about the first thing. We can go. And next issue, next assignment we are going to go is this one, assignment 2. If you go with the assignment 2, I'm sorry, assignment 3 will be coming next, and then assignment 2. Because assignment 3 is a complex case study. So this problem you have to solve by yourself, and it should be according to your student ID number. So it should be different calculation for each other. And I'll be giving you the deadline and everything newly, but this is the nature of these things. You have to do the simulation using the Scilab, and you have to simplify the system, and you have to submit a report on this study. So this is assignment you have to submit after the midterm, and that's nothing to presentation here. All you have to solve the case study problem, and you have to write a report on it. And then you have to go for the final case study, what do you call that, assignment. There you have to submit a report on this assignment. This is an advanced control topic, and you have to go through this topic, and then you have to write a report by solving the problem questions over here I have written. And I want ultimately and I'll give you the details on Kalman filter. that that our students had done some work and got a publication on it and got the best paper prize from IEEE conference. This all informations will be provided, and based on that you have to go through, understand it, and at the end of the semester you don't have to do any presentation, you don't have to do any other things. All what you have to write a case study report on Kalman filter, how much you understand, so that this knowledge will help you to go for higher studies. Okay, that's the thing in this assignment 2 you have to do. It's not a big tough thing, but you can start reading the things from now on, at least so that you can prepare a nice report. These are the 3 assignments you have to submit and you have to go through and you have to present, and the nature according to the nature of the assignment 2 Kalman filter. Are the resources are all here given, you can see on the bottom, all the links are given here, you can download it and you can start going through these 3 assignment. Assignment 1 and assignment 2 you can go ahead, but assignment 3 you cannot until I complete the mathematical modeling of physical system, that topic. Okay, so step by step you can follow, no problem. I think that's the way the assignment will be considered for marking. Okay, I'm sorry, it's gone, I think. Okay, now this is what okay. Okay, so all right, good. And that's the way assignment thing is will be carried on. I think you all understood the thing. And just a minute, where is that one? Marks distribution. Okay, here we go. Now, hey, can you see the screen again? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Assignment part, you understand 20% marks will be given from that. And a quiz, I think you already know, there will be 4 quiz I'll be taking. Out of 4 quiz, I'll take the best 3. And last time 2 ICT, 2 CT. This time I'll not take any ICT, all CT because of this online class. So you have to get the information beforehand when will be your class test, and you can prepare and can come and join. But I'll take 4 class tests. That is what for sure. And inshallah, and then you have to be taken. I mean, I'll be taking best 3 out of 4. And according to that, the 25 marks will be given, 25% marks. And over here, the bonus marks will be added at the end so that your final marks will be boosted up. Okay, that's all about the quiz. I think you have a clear understanding. So no ICT, so you are clear and easy for you. Midterm, 25%. As like last time, whatever the things in CT, Tripoli 201 midterm is exactly the same thing. There will be 3 questions. You have to answer 2 questions, and 1 will be compulsory, and 25% marks will be carried from here. And the compulsory question can be coming from anywhere in the syllabus. So all the syllabus you have to go through A to Z, because you leave any chapter and the compulsory question come from that chapter, you'll be in trouble. So everybody should be careful about it in the midterm exam. And so 1 hour exam is a proctor exam. So it's the same way today at the end, you can see it will be similar way I'll be taking. And final exam will be 30%. Normally, I used to take the comprehensive exam in the on-campus cases, but online, in last semester, we didn't go for comprehensive. Rather, whatever up to the midterm, whatever the syllabus, we divide the syllabus into 2. Before the midterm, after the midterm. So before the midterm, whatever syllabus will be for the midterm syllabus, and after the midterm, whatever the thing I'll teach you, that will be for the final exam syllabus. So the whole syllabus is divided into 2. So after midterm, you don't need to worry about the previous thing what you have started in midterm if the syllabus, if the system is fully online. Okay, and then final exam question will be similar to midterm exam question. There will be 3 questions, 1 compulsory, and like the everything is same. Only the marks is 30% here because of some difference there. You can come to know about it later. So that's the way all together 100% marks will be distributed. I think all of you understood. Now let's go. So this thing I'm going to running again. Hey, can you see the video now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
And is 2, 5, 10%.
So I am skipping this part because already I
system. Just imagine you are in the class and you are looking at the whiteboard and what I'm writing, you have to write it. So you must have a paper, maybe a class note, and you can write it there also. Or you can record or so whatever way you can collect the information by getting the snap or whatever. Now let's come back to the point. First of all, thing is what is
regarding the live class. From now on, you have to understand what is going on, because at the end of this class, you have to sit for the class test. It's a very much fun. There is no marks for this class test or the class performance. It's how you is a rehearsal of how you will go for CT, midterm and final exam. So everybody listen carefully.
System. The system is if there is some excitation to something and it gives you some response. That means if something is having some response due to some excitation, that is called system. That means if the thing is like this, it is the response, we call it response, and this is your excitation. For example, so the excitation gives you some response. That is your system. The system is having some response due to some excitation. That means excitation is here nothing but the input, and response is nothing but the output, as you understand it. So you get some input, you get some output. Now, if this output of the system can be if this output can be controlled by the input, if the response, hey, please shut your microphone, please. If the response is or can be controlled by the excitation, that is control system. That means if your output can be controlled by the input, then the system is control system. For example, if we can say example like this is a fan, the electric fan is having input and output. So what is the output of a fan? The fan output is the speed of the blade. And what is the input to the fan? The input to the fan, you know that 1, 2, 3, 4, the regulator you rotate, and then it is increasing, the speed is increasing from 100, 200, 300 RPM like that. So what is the input, the regulator you are rotating 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3 means you can assume that by changing the variable resistor, you are controlling the current flow through the fan's armature coil. So more the current flow through the armature coil, the more torque produced because of the magnetic interaction, and the more torque produced. And the torque produced means more speed. So more current you are giving. 1, 2, 3 means 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 3 ampere. And your speed is going to be increased means 100 RPM, 200 RPM, 300, like that. So you can say the input is what? Input is current and output is speed. So you can say 1 ampere current, you can say 100 RPM. Like that, and you can say 2 ampere, you can say 200 RPM, like that, and you can 3 ampere, you can say 300 RPM, like that. So your current is increasing, your speed is increasing. That means you are controlling the output by the input current. So this is your control system, which is controlled by the input current. And what is the output current? Is RPM or speed. So this is a type of example of a control system. Now, these control systems basically are of two types. One is control systems are of two types. One is open loop control system, open loop, and another one is closed loop. Closed loop control system. So open loop control system and closed loop control system. So the fan, what I have told you just now, is having an example of just wait, what is the eraser? Okay, I got the eraser. Okay, the fan looks like the like this, as you have seen. The fan is like this, and here. So fan speed. If you give 1 ampere to the input to the fan, and you are telling that it is 100 RPM, but if you want to measure the speed of the fan by a device, hey Dax, can you tell me what device can?
Okay, live class people. Hello, can you hear me? Live class. Today's live class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
what is the device you think the RPM can be measured? The rotation of the speed is measured by what device? Is it voltmeter?
No, sir.
What?
It's a speed meter. So it's like I forgot the exact name, but it calculates the.
It's a tachometer.
Sir, tachometer. Exactly, tachometer.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Good.
tachometer.
It is the tachometer. Good. I think you cannot remember, but it is the thing actually.
Tachometer, yes.
Yeah,
sir.
good. Now look at it. Okay, anyone can tell me what is the device can measure the speed RPM of a fan? Anybody know?
Sir, tachometer.
Good, excellent.
Be inaccurate here. This is the main problem with the open loop control system. So if you want to make it accurate, then you need the closed loop control system. Now you measure, you see it is not 100 RPM. It is giving you maybe less than 100 RPM, which is maybe 90 RPM, 95 RPM, not exactly 100 RPM. And if you apply 2 ampere, you are assuming it is giving you 200 RPM. But when your tachometer you connect, you see it is 195, not exactly 200 RPM. If you apply 3 ampere, you are assuming 300 RPM, but your tachometer gives you 290. So what happened? The output is not accurate. So the output can be inaccurate here. This is the main problem with the open loop control system. So if you want to make it accurate, then you need the closed loop control system. Now, what is closed loop control system? Closed loop control system is you have to take the signal from the output back to the input like this, back to the input through a summing device. This is your this is your closed loop control system. Plus, minus, this is negative feedback system. So this is what the thing you have to go for. This is speed and this is current. Okay. So this thing is happen here that whenever you give 1 ampere, you are supposed to get 100 ampere, 100 RPM, but you are getting 95 RPM. So the feedback says you are not getting 100 RPM, you are getting 95 RPM from the feedback. And this is 1 ampere. So what is this thing then? This is a sensor. This is a sensor which is going to convert this 95 RPM into the current ampere. Sensor or transducer. I think you heard the thing. What is sensor or transducer? Which convert physical parameters into electrical signal. So this is the physical parameter RPM, speed. The speed is going to be converted into ampere. Hey, any duck know what is the name of this type of? Just now someone told me, sir, this is this. What is this? Can be anybody? Hey, you told me you are measuring the speed using what? Hello?
Tachometer.
Tachometer. So this sensor is a tachometer. Which tachometer does what? Tachometer measure the RPM. When you connect the tachometer to the fan in front of the fan, then that speed is going to be converted into electrical signal, and then you can see the display. in the display you see it is the converted electrical signal from the speed. So the tachometer inside the sensor which convert this speed into electrical signal. So this is what I'm talking about here. It is nothing but actually this is what I'm talking about is which convert the speed into electrical current. So this is the sensor which is converting RPM into electrical ampere, and you can see the digital scope that how many, and it can show you what is the RPM in digital digit in the tachometer. But you are just thinking that signal, whatever the ampere it convert, is going into this, and if this is input is 1 ampere and this is a negative feedback system, this is plus. So what will happen? This ampere, if it is not 100 RPM, if it is 95 RPM, so this ampere will be more than 1 ampere or less than 1 ampere. 1 ampere corresponds 100 RPM. 95 ampere and 95 RPM will be less than 1 ampere. Any children should know that. So 0. Let's say I'm saying that 0.95 or whatever, 0.95 ampere. So you can get here 0.95 ampere, whatever. So this card is giving you this is a summing device, plus minus. Everybody know the summing device, right? Like this. So this is plus and minus. So if it is X, this is Y. This is plus and this is minus. This is plus, this is minus. Then what will be the output coming here? Everybody know that X minus Y, right? Yes or no? Anybody got confusion?
Yes, sir. Plus
okay, good.
0.05.
No, I'm just telling you. This is the thing. So the error will be like 1 minus 0.05. The error will be coming here. So the error, whatever the error coming here, that error will be again going through that and adjust it so that it goes up to 100. Once it goes to 100, and then it is no more 95, it is 100. And if it is 100, then it will no be 0.5, it will be 1 in that case. If it is 1 ampere, then this is 1 ampere, this error will be what?
0.
Yes. Yeah, that's right. So it is 1 ampere minus 1 ampere. The error will be, oh, I'm killing it faster and it's coming a bit late. I understand it. I'm sorry, there is a delay in the writing. So the error will be 0 because 1 ampere minus 1 ampere will be 0. So if it is 0 ampere error, if it is 0 error, then output will be remain 100 and stable at 100. Again, if the 100 goes down or up, then the difference will be coming here, and that difference will be coming here and will be adjusted at the output. This is the way the closed loop is adjusting the output to the desired level. So our desired RPM is 100. If this goes below 100, 95 or maybe 110 up or down, then it will be automatically adjusted by the controller error part, and that will be coming to the output as output until the output goes back to 100. So once the output is 100, error is 0, then there will be no mechanism there to adjust the output because output is stable at 100 at that time. It is giving you 100% accurate result. So closed loop system is giving you more accurate and stable. These things is the main attribute of closed loop system: accurate and stable output you can get. So this is the advantage of closed loop control system over the open loop control system. So you can find out the differences by yourself. You have to find out the differences between open loop control system and closed loop control system. And you can see the main attribute is this. Closed loop control system is more accurate and it is also more stable. This is a this is a amplifier, and if the amplification is 5, then if you give 1 volt, hey, what will be the output? Anybody?
5.
5 volt. Good. Now it is 5 volt. Now, again, the same thing. This amplifier is open loop system or closed loop system?
Open loop.
Open loop. So one volt you get 5 volt. With the multimeter, if you measure, it is giving you 4.5. It may be giving you 5.3. A different value. Why? Because of the amplifier construction. Maybe the non-linearity properties of the amplifier, because of the noise coming from outside. A lot of reason the output may be not 5 volt, but you are expecting 5 because your amplifier is 5 gain from the shop you got, and then. But when you check it, you see this is not 5. It is open loop, so there are chances of this output not 5. So it is not accurate system if it is open loop. Who knows? You are expecting, but you measure it is going to 4.5. So if it is going to 4.5, it is having error at the output. So what to do? We have to go back to the closed loop system. If you go for the closed loop system, then you can see the accuracy there. So if you go for closed loop system, you have to go with this feedback system. Next to the feedback system is here, the feedback element, and going to this comparative device. And then if you go for this and closed loop control system, always either, remember this is a negative feedback system. Feedback system can be 2 types: positive feedback or negative feedback. So this is negative feedback, and positive feedback very seldom used for oscillator or this sort of few devices can be used, but most of the cases you see the negative feedback control system is used for error adjustment and stability. And for your information, I'm giving the warning for 10 minutes to go. Again, please, I'm giving the warning voltage, right? If it's 5 volt, what will be the voltage here? Anybody can tell me?
4.5.
No. Because this is 5 volt.
1 volt.
Yeah, 1 volt. Because this is 1 volt is a 5 volt. If 5 volt is there, sorry, this is 5 volt, right? If 5 volt is there, not 4.5. Forget about 4.5 now for the time being. Okay, 4.5 is gone. So one phase, 1 volt coming here. What will be the error? Can anybody tell me the error now?
0.
Good. The error will be 0. Good. So error will be 0 because of the thing is going to be, okay, error will be 0 here. Okay, because 1 minus 1 is 0 volt. 0 volt, then this is what? This is perfect. So the output will be remain 5 volt and is stable, error free. Now, if it goes down to, let's say, it's gone down to 4 volt, for example, it goes to 4 volt. Then this is no more 5, it is 4 volt. If it is 4 volt, listen, okay, now if it is then it will be no more 4, it is 6. So 1 phase, 1 volt coming here. What will be the error? Can anybody tell me the error now?
0.
Good. The error will be 0. Okay. Because 1 minus 1 is 0 volt. 0 volt, then this is what? This is a volt. If it is 4 volt, listen. Okay. Now, if it is error
0.2.
0.2 volt. So 0.2 positive. So your 0.2 will be multiplied with 5. 0.2 will be multiplied with this 5. Is giving you what? 1. That 1 is going to be joining here, giving you 5 volt. So that goes to 5 volt back, and when 5 volt, it is going to be 1 volt, 0 volt adjustment is done. And again, if it is goes to, let's say, 6 volt, if it goes to 6 volt, then it will be no more 4, it is 6 volt. For example, we can go for the red pen, and if the red pen gives us 6 volt, okay, then it is not there, this is 6 volt here. If it is 6 volt, then what will be this? 6 by 5?
1.2.
1.2 volt.
1.2.
Yeah, 1.2 volt you are getting. 1.2 volt means this will be what? 0.
Minus 2.
Minus 0.4, right?
Minus 0.2.
Minus 0.24 volt, then it is going to be multiplied with 5 again, and then it is going to be multiplied with 5 and
Minus 1.
yeah, minus 1. So you are getting here minus 1 volt here. If it is minus 1 volt, 6 volt minus 1 volt, then what is the?
It will come back to 5.
Yeah, it is going to be
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, 1. So again, come back to 5. So if it goes to 6, it will be adjusted to 5.
To the live class. If you have any question, you raise your hand, please, or you just tell me from the microphone. Anything. I'm talking to the live class. If you want to tell me anything, please raise your.
0.2.
Okay, because it's a one. The error is the plus anything. I'm talking to the live class. If you want to tell me anything, please raise your hand, and then I can see, and then or you can just tell me as well. Raising hand will be the indication that yeah, you have question, and I will stop the video and we will entertain. Remember. Thank you.
It will be adjusted to 5. So whatever the voltage it goes up or down, it will be at.
Yeah, Shahin Khan. Shahin Khan.
Sir, what is the, how did it become minus 0.2?
Okay, because it's a one, the error is the plus minus, a positive input minus, this is 1 coming as a positive 1, and this is 1.2 coming as a negative 1.2, right? And this is a summing device. These two signal, one is positive signal, one is negative signal, and output will be the summation of the two. So 1 minus 1.2. So 1 minus 1.2 is minus 0.2.
Yes, sir. I understand. Thank you.
Adjusted back to the 5 volt. So it is going to give you the.
Sir,
yeah,
my question.
Rahat, you go ahead.
Yes, sir. So the error adjustment. Can I speak in Bangla, sir?
No, I'm sorry. This is
okay, sir. Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay, sir. The error adjustment. So it gets it adjusts. The fault is in the amplifier or in like.
Yeah, it can be at the beginning. I told that it can be because of the non-linearity drift into the amplifier. Because amplifier is made of silicon. It you know.
Yeah.
It can be made of amplifier 741. It can be made of anything, and also the noise signal. The noise can add into the amplifier and can change the output. So different way the amplifier's signal output can be changed. Okay. Whenever it is changed, automatically it has to be adjusted to the desired level. That is the main part of the control system. You get my point?
So basically, sir, our target is to get a 5 volt at the output. So to adjust that, yeah, we need to adjust the input with the error correction.
Exactly,
right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So that is the main thing. Whenever the output is changing, control system is going to adjust it to the desired output. Like an aircraft is going and suddenly a turbulent weather, then aircraft is moving and try to become an accident or something like that. But a control system try to adjust the aircraft, make it stable within the turbulent way. That's a very smart controller thing. Robust control, sliding mode control. That's a different issue. This is the main thing of the controller. You're right. So let's go and see what happens.
More stable output 5 and more accurate output with this closed loop feedback system. So example can be a operational amplifier, op-amp. You have started maybe op-amp, inverting op-amp amplifier. The inverting op-amp, the feedback systems of minus RF by RI. You can remember. Hey, come on, what happened? Have you saw this thing in your life? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Example, I'm just giving you. So automatically, that open loop op-amps can be connected with the closed loop, and you can control the voltage output and stable and accurate output you can get. This is in control system. Example we can have so that you can understand the control technology. Now let us go back. I don't know we have enough, but if you can go.
This is the, so far you got the idea about the open loop and closed loop feedback system. Now this is the lecture slide, first lecture slide on this control, and which gives you a couple of example of closed loop control system. And after that we'll go for some more example, and then we go for the class test, performance test. Okay, go ahead, see how.
To view the full screen should be this control system. Here, this is the enemy plane. You can see this is the enemy plane. Okay, can you please shut your mouth? All of you, please shut your microphone. All of you, everybody, including Chua. Everybody. If required, if anything wrong, any problem, immediately you only can talk to me. Okay, now look at it. This is the aircraft, enemy aircraft. And this is an anti-aircraft radar. This system is long ago, people used it, 1,000 years ago. And now technology changed. And recently you saw India had made a Kali 5000, which is the very advanced, that is going to be used for China battle, like sort of things, you know. So these are the latest equipment comes in the field. And this is the oldest one I'm just talking about. So anti-aircraft tracking control system is something like this. You can see radar antenna along with a microcontroller or microprocessor along with it inside the military vehicle. And what it does, it rotates the radar. And the radar antenna is, you know what is that? It's sending the signal, and when it hits the target, a reflected signal comes back to the radar. As soon as it gets the reflected signal, and then microcontrollers, according to the program algorithm, it calculates the speed, location, and all sort of parameters in using this algorithm. It calculates, and then after calculation, it's send a signal, actuating signal. You can see through this to the power amplifier. So the power amplifier then drive the anti-aircraft gun and fix the firing angle at a certain position. It must be in advance, and that calculation is done by the microcontroller based on the speed, location, everything of this enemy plane. So when its firing angle is set here at this angle, means at this point, if it triggered the shell, then the fire will hit the enemy plane at this point. By this time, enemy plane will be coming here. This is the main calculation done. So this is the projected position of the aircraft when the shell comes from the aircraft gun. Now, if there is a mistake in the calculation, if there is an error in the output is the firing angle. If there is an error in the firing angle output, then enemy plane, the shell will miss the enemy plane, and the enemy plane will bombing the whole system, gone. Your whole thing will be going to waste. So, need to be more accurate firing angle. So for the accurate firing angle, so that the shell can hit the enemy plane at this certain point. That's why the firing angle accuracy is very important here. That's why the feedback system, look at from the firing angle, a feedback signal is gone to the microcontroller. So the microprocessor is getting the feedback signal and calculate, yes, the firing angle what we have calculated is accurate. Now a triggering a shell, and the trigger and shell will go and hit the enemy plane at the right point if the firing angle is in the accurate position. So that is done in this feedback control process. And I am telling it's not so delay, it's not being delayed. It should be very fast, and within micro nanoseconds it all adjusted. So the lead angle, firing angle, all these calculations should be correctly calculated by the microcontroller after getting the signal from there. This is an old system, and later on, let's say this is an American process, and the enemy plane is a Russian plane. So the Russia people, when they see that American hit the target and gone, then they have changed the technology. They got another technology. Whenever any radar signal catch them, then and then they change their speed and direction. Then what happened? In that case, the firing angle will be missing the target, and then they will bombing the thing. When Americans saw that thing, then they changed this control technology. They go for another technology. For example, this is another technology, which is commanded guidance interceptor system. That is the guided missile technique. The missile is here. When American people, they send the shell, mean the missile, to the target plane. And both the missile and the target plane should be monitored from the anti-aircraft vehicle, from their control room, so that they can, with the change of behavior of the target plane, they can also change the behavior of the missile, so that ultimately missile can hit the target. And again, this target Russian people, they change another technology here so that the missile also can miss it. Then American people change the missile technology in a different way. What is that? Then the target plane gives some smoke. A missile is missile sensor. Missile will be sensing that smoke, and then it follow the target through the smoke until the smoke. As long as the smoke is coming, missile is following the target and hit the target. And then Russia changed another technique. Like this way, that way, a lot of things are going on, and fighting is going on, and still you see the fighting is going on in the world. Even the coronavirus is there. So ultimate target is what? Killing people. Everybody think control system is not good. Absolutely not correct. Control system is very good, and it is used not only in military application, it is used in every aspect in life. If you go to biomedical engineering, lots of devices are used that are using control system technology. And if you go for any other sectors, you can see everywhere people, traffic light control system, normal system. Any machineries you can see there the feedback control system is used. So you can see a simple thing. But our target is not those things. Our target is to, in our EEE305, our target is to know the very basic of control system. We are not going to that here, and in our country, we are not going to make it as well, or meaningless. What we need, what is feasible for us to make, what is understandable, what is easy, that's what we are going to do in this course, in the classical control course. After that, if you go for higher studies, you can see outside Bangladesh, you go to VS system, America system. This is an example of our assignment 1. I told.
So let's come back to the live class. Since this is the example of assignment 1, temperature control box, I have shown you the paper. So if you go through the paper by yourself and understand it, I think that will be better instead of looking at it. But I'll upload this video lecture. You can have a look of these things over there as well. Better we can skip this example. You better read it in the assignment part. Okay, let's go to the next step.
It can sense 70 degrees, and then because you're.
So I think everybody understood. Get ready with this. There will be no marks. This is just fun. So everybody just come to know, become familiar actually how the class test will be continue, or midterm or final exam will be taken. This flavor you are going to get from this test. So everybody please participate. I want everybody should send me the answer script by email, and hopefully you will get the idea. So let's start. If you have any question, please let me know. Yeah, Anamul Hassan, you raise your hand. Tell me. Anamul Hassan,
this is a red pen. Red pen gives you the signal, and the blue pen. Blue pen give you.
So just live class. This is the class test question started. What you are going to do in today's test, you be ready with the empty script as I told you earlier. Write your name and ID number on the top, and then what you are going to do now, you listen carefully, and you have to start and submit it within the time limit. I'll tell you. Just listen first.
The system. So this is the system.
Yeah, some of you raise your hand. Please tell me what is the question. Live class. Yeah, Sadman.
Yes, sir.
Find another example outside the example I have given today, you cannot write it is amplifier. You cannot write it is a temperature control system. No, this example I have given already, so you cannot give it. You have to think something else and you have to give that example. You don't need to explain, only this box you have to draw and you write the name of the signal, write the name of the system, and you submit it. That's it. You don't need to do anything more than that. Is it okay? Shall I go ahead?
We just have to write the name of the system.
Okay, this is a system. And this is your signal. Now you can see what happened. I think all what I need is the how many signals are there? Start. You press the accelerator, and then your output is be what? All of you understand it, what I mean. So this is actuator, this is accelerator input, output is speed, and this is also speed because speedometer is converting this to speed. What do you call it? Not system, sorry, this is not speed. This is what? This is your, this is accelerator pressing that, and that one is coming as a speed as well. But your voltage you have to write here. This is just a put the box so that this is giving you again the voltage.
Thermal.
Yeah, what is the name of the thing? Anybody know? No, the temperature input electrical voltage, and write the what do you call this signals, feedback signal, and the output signal. These three signal and this two rate system. You have to draw this block diagram and send it to me. After doing this, then you get the snapshot and send it to me by email. 15 minutes time. So
the example you saw, the car example, I'm talking to the live class. The car example, the air condition thermistor example. This is the the temperature. This is a voltage input, temperature and voltage, and they compare. This example also you cannot give. So only the example what is not given here in this class, you have to give me any example like that. But whatever example I have shown you in the class today, you cannot give any of this example, remember. Because in the world, there are billion examples. You can find from the net, you can find from here and there, no problem. But you have to give a different example and send it to me. Do it faster.
Now it is 5:05. At 5:20, I want 5:20. And all of you please just hold on, because I'm going to see who are present and I'm getting a snapshot. I got it. So I think I got all 27 or 25 people present, and their name is already recorded. So I think.
Okay, now the real class. Today's Monday's class I'm talking about. You understand everything that you have to give the answer. Take your page ready, and this is 5 o'clock now. In my computer, all of you can check. Sharp at 5:10, you have to finish your exam. 10 minutes time.
Sir, I have a question, sir. The feed loop circuit given, so it can be anything, like in any example.
Yeah, it can be any example you can find from the world in our practical life, anything. Okay. But all what you have to write it, what should be inside the red box, and what should be the signal in the blue box. Okay, example is given here, but it should be different example. What I have given, sir. Not this. Now listen, 10 minutes in hand, you have to do it within 10 minutes, and 5:15, by 5:15, everybody must send me the email attaching this thing in a separate email. Remember, everybody's separate email. After writing the answer, please get the snapshot, convert it into PDF, and send it to me by 5:15. I'm giving you 5 minutes to convert it to PDF and send it to me by a fresh email. This is the procedure in your class test, in your midterm, in your final exam. So everybody must follow this. You don't know how to convert PDF, that 5 minutes given you to do it. Okay, now 5:15 is the deadline. If anybody miss, he is disqualified. Means 1 minute late, 1 marks cut. Like that way is the thing happen. So everybody start now and start. And once you complete, send it to me. I will show you the email on the screen. If you see your email already I received, then you can leave the classroom. All of you start now. 5 o'clock sharp. By 5:15, I want the answer by email. Thank you very much. Go ahead. So your deadline is 2. Okay, this is the question basically, and I have shown the block diagram how to answer. Okay, you carry on. Go ahead. If anybody got any question, you will raise your hand. There are 29 students in the classroom. No, don't leave the classroom until you submit the answer script. Please, otherwise you'll be in trouble.
Sir, can you hear me? Hello. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello. Hello, sir.
Okay, done already. Send it to
Can
me
you
by
hear
email.
me? Yes,
Yeah.
sir. I have sent you the
email.
script. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Two
let me
email.
check. Okay,
Yes, sir. I also have sent it.
Okay, let me check the email then. Just wait for a while and see whether I received your email or not. Can you see the screen? Not yet. Okay,
No, sir.
everybody should send separately in the separate email. Okay, I'm going to show you the email, and once I think one of you left the room, I think. Okay, can you see the screen now? Please do not leave the room until you see your you see your email. While Azim, oh no, sorry, is it Jubair Alam? No, who is that? Tashinur, yeah, person not.
So which email
Yes,
address should
Siam,
be used?
Siam. I think only this. Which
So
email?
I.
I'm sorry. No. This is not the one. This is.
Yes, sir. This is not the one.
Sorry. Just a minute. Okay, now can you see? Oh no.
No, sir.
No, like this one. Just a minute. So just a minute. 1 minute. Let me open the email then. I think. Oh yeah, it's a separate email. Okay. Now it's okay. You can have a look. Okay. Now can you see the email now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can just have a look. You can see your email. You can go. Who is the guy? An issue? Here, Sadman Tasdid, right? Sadman, can you see your email? Sadman. Okay. Rahat Tazwar.
Yes, sir.
Good. You can leave the room. If you leave the room, I can hear a sound. Please, you leave it faster. And Biplab Sharkar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you also leave the room. Make it faster. I cannot hear the sound. Okay, good. Now, Arnab, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can leave the room now. Thank you. I'm not getting sound. Okay, good. Sadman, are you there? Sadman Tasdid? Okay, he left already maybe. Okay, no problem. Rahat Tazwar? No, sorry. Rifatul Islam, are you there? Rifat? Rifatul Islam? Okay.
Yes, sir, I am here.
You leave the room. I received your one. Okay.
Thank you.
Now come on, Rifat. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You send me the image file, not the PDF file. Convert it into PDF, then you go. Resend it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Otherwise, I'll note it down. You need to know actually, because in CT1, CT2, midterm, I will not accept this thing. I'll accept the PDF. So you need to know how to convert. Do it faster and then leave the room. Okay. You resend. Minhajur Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can leave because you send me the PDF. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Jarin Tasnin Mo.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you? Okay, you also can leave the room. Thank you very much. Siam Mo, can you leave the room? I cannot hear the chime sound. Okay, good. Siam Ahmed, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Thank you very much. You can leave the room, Siam. Hasnain Ahmed. Hasnain?
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you very much. You can leave the
Thank you.
room. Make sound faster, Hasnain. Hasnain? Okay, good. Nabila Dohid. Nabila Dohid? Nabila, can you hear? Okay, good.
Yes,
I can. You can leave the room, Nabila. Thank you very much. Okay, make sound faster. Leave it. Okay, good. Tasbia Binte Hussein.
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you very much. You can leave the room, Tasbia. Okay. Okay, good. Naib Rehan. Naib Rehan, are you here? Muhammad Naib Rehan.
Sir, Assalamualaikum. I am Mo. I think I got the leave the room little bit earlier. Did you say something?
Oh, no. I think I received your one. You can leave the room. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Okay, most welcome. Walaikum Assalam. Naib Rahman, I think Naib Rehan, are you there, Naib? Oh, Naib. Okay. Rahatil bin Mustafiz.
Yes,
are you
sir.
there?
I'm
yes,
here.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you can leave. I
sir.
received your one. Nicely. It is okay. Muhammad Samid bin Hassan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can leave the room, please. I think it is okay with you. I think we received the PDF file from you. Kamrul Islam. Yes, sir. I received the PDF from you. You also can leave the room. Thank you very much. Arafatullah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you also can leave the room. Thank you very much. Tahmid Ahmed.
Yes, sir. Sir, I resend the email.
What is your name?
Rifatul Islam.
Rifatul Islam. 1,000 years ago, I called your name. What was?
Sir,
Okay.
I was converting the
look at.
image
Oh,
file.
you send it again. Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Wait, it will be coming. Now let's come back to the point. Sia Mohammed, are you here?
Sir, it was on Tahmid Ahmed.
Oh, Tahmid, right. Where is Tahmid then?
Bit
Here you go. Tahmid, thank you very much. It's a
Yes, sir.
PDF file. No problem. You can go. Mustafizur Rahman, are you
Yes, sir.
there? Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
you
sir.
can leave. No problem. You're okay. Mustafizur Rahman, I want to hear the sound. Good. Faiza, you
Yes, sir.
are, I told you to send me a separate email. You don't need to send a separate email. Send a separate email, then you leave. Don't leave now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, Maqbul Hussain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can leave. Thank you very much for your PDF file. Kamrul Islam. Kamrul, are you there? Kamrul Islam. Okay. Safat Sadmani. Safat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can leave. I got your PDF file. Thank you very much. Abhijit Paul Pial.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Pial. You can leave the room. Thank you. Okay, Tanvir Hassan. Pial, you did not leave. Okay, good. Thank you. Tanvir Hassan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tanvir, you can leave the room because I received your PDF file. Rifat, you send me both, right? PDF and MS. Rifatul Islam, you send me the PDF letter. Where's the PDF? Oh, here you go. Okay. Rifat, you can leave the room. I received your PDF. Okay, next, Hatif Asrar Ahmed. Hatif?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can leave the room because I received your PDF. Thank
Sir,
you.
can I ask you something?
Who are you?
Hatif.
Hatif, yeah, go ahead.
Sir, if I'm unable to attend the classes on Monday or Wednesday for some cases, can I attend the class with the other section?
You have to get the permission if you cannot. Confirm first and then call me. I have the emergency number.
Okay, sir. I'll call you.
Okay,
Or I'll
call me.
email.
Yeah, if anything, just call me. Okay, Hatif, you can leave the room. Thank you very much. I got your
Thank you,
PDF
sir.
file. Indranil, Bishash.
Sir, I have sent you the mail twice. At first at the a.azad@decorated
What's your name?
Say Imran Biswas.
Okay, good. Then this is the final one. Can you
No,
see the?
yeah,
Can
this
you
is the
see the
final.
screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it the one you're talking final?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, good. I appreciate it. You can leave the room. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Faiza Jareen, you sent it
Yes, sir.
ultimately converted.
Yes, sir.
So why you didn't convert first? You don't know how to do?
Sir, I converted it, but I didn't send you a separate email. That's
All right.
why.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Your separation problem. Okay.
Yes,
Because
sir.
you don't know how to separate, send a separate email. You don't know, right?
Sir, I pressed reply rather than
Okay.
sending
This
it
is what you
separate.
have done, right, Faiza?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem. I think then you can leave the room. Thank you very much, Faiza. Okay. Are there anyone in the room? There are 3 ducks. Okay. Abbas Tasnim. What happened, Tanjim?
I sent you, sir.
Okay. When you sent?
Right now, sir.
Oh, right now. Then I think it will take time because you see on the right side, the time is written and the time is over already 19. Why late?
Sir, I had to think of something.
Now it is the thing. If you delayed by one minute means -1 mark. So you should be very careful about it. Within time you have to. Anyway, where is your file? It's not coming yet.
Oh.
What is the
Sir, I
email address
sent
you
you.
written? Just check first.
tanzimabias@gmail.com.
No, you send.
Your yes,
what?
sir. Your one akmam.azad@gmail.com, sir. That one,
Check
sir.
twice because I didn't get it yet. Can see. Can you see? I don't think. When you send me just now.
Yes, sir. Just now.
If just
Okay,
now.
sir. Let me send you again.
Yeah,
then.
send again. That's right. And check the email address. Careful.
Okay.
akmam.azad then @gmail.com.
Okay, sir. I sent you again.
You sent it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm refreshing, but it doesn't come. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir. I can see the
Okay,
screen.
but I see that I'm refreshing, but it's not coming. Everybody's one already I received. Oh, it is going to the spam or what?
Sir, I sent you again.
Let me check. Maybe it's gone to the spam. No, it is not.
So I'm directly sharing from CamScan.
Okay, through the chat box, can you send?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, send it to me. I'm wondered about it. Maybe I think you made a mistake in your email address. You check. Shall I show you the email address again, or you can see
Sir,
here?
I took it from. I copied the mail from your the email of the.
Yeah, that's right. Then it
live
should
class.
be fine. This is the email address you copied from here, right?
Yes, sir.
akmam.azad.gmail.com. It should come. Maybe I'll get it later. No problem. So what do? You send it by chat box and then go.
Okay, sir.
But I didn't get yet. Have you?
Let me share with.
Okay, there are some other people's. Hasnain Ahmed sent it.
Sir, how do I? Should I take the picture and
yeah,
then
the PDF file? Look, can you see the chat box I am showing now? You cannot see, right?
Yes, sir. I can. No, I cannot see, sir.
Oh, you cannot see the chat box. I'm putting it in front of the Gmail. No.
No, sir. No, sir.
On the screen. Okay. Hasnain had sent me the PDF file. He attached and you attached and send it to the chat box. A chat box got some attachment facilities. You know that how to do? No. Okay. If you don't know, but how come? Okay. Can I tell you to write another email and send it to me there?
Sir,
you write a.azad@IEEE. Go.
Sorry, sir.
You made a mistake, right?
Yeah, I think I had network problems. Can you check if you get them?
Oh, okay. How come you're talking to me if you have a network problem?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Okay. Anyway, it is in queued in the outbox.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem. Okay. In that case, listen. I'm telling you, if you really send me in time, In your email, the time is written there, right?
Yes, sir. It's written
What is
there.
the time written there?
So it's 5:24 p.m.
Yeah, that is very important to me. Even if you send it later, but the time will be written, so I'll check that time when it will come to my email address.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem. Then you can just check and send it to me. Once it is outside it is gone out from your outbox and come to me, then you send me a SMS or give me a call at my emergency number, sir. It gone from my outbox. Then I'll check and see the timing.
Sir, it's gone from my outbox right now, sir.
Oh, it's gone.
Yes, sir.
And,
Can you check it,
yeah, I
please?
can see. Can you see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
I received it. Okay, so maybe in network problem. If this is the scenario happened in the CT1 midterm final exam, then and then you can take the phone and give me a call, sir.
Okay,
My outbox is stuck and it is not going, like sort of things. You understand me? That's the reason
Yes,
why
sir.
the emergency number is given. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
I think now you can leave the room. Thank you very much.
Sir, really sorry, sir. Thank
Okay,
you
all
very
right.
much.
You're all right. Okay, thank you very much. See you next class.
Thank you.
Okay, so.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.